Today, we're going to be creating a video that will walk you through the steps to assemble and disassemble your LiteRider scooter. First, before we begin, make sure that your scooter is level with the ground and that you've turned it off. First step we're going to do is to put the seat down and then simply take both sides and lift up. And set it on the ground next to you. Step 2, you take the battery, which is in the back. The handle is right here. You just simply pull and lift out. Next, we're going to take the tiller. There's a knob right here at the base. You're going to screw it, and so you can move this down. And then when it's all the way down, you're going to screw it back in. That locks it back in place. You can take off the basket as well. That's if you need to fit in your car easier. And then finally, there's a latch on the bottom, back here. Simply lift it up, and this will detach the front, making it easier to lift both pieces. That's all 5 parts disassembled at full. To reassemble, we're going to do the same thing but backwards. You're going to take the same part, lift it back on, and make sure the yellow knob fits into the latch right here. And once it goes in, it'll click in, and you're going to hear that click. That's how you know that it's in all the way. Turn the knob, loosen it, lift it up to where the desired height, and then lock it back into place by turning it. Next, you're going to put the battery in. This just slides right into the back. Keep the seat. I recommend taking it from the sides, that way you can lift it up. And I recommend taking it like this, looking over, just so you can make sure you get the hole. And just popping it right in. And lift the seat back up, and of course put the basket on if you took it off. Just like that, just disassemble and reassemble of the LiteRider scooter.